Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Red Dead Redemption 2 on Steam Deck. First, ensure your Steam Deck is fully updated to the latest stable operating system. This foundational step is crucial for optimal compatibility and performance with demanding titles. Next, confirm you have a stable internet connection for downloading the game and any necessary updates. We will then dive into the straightforward process of installing the game directly through the Steam client, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. This method is the most reliable way to enjoy the game. Installing Red Dead Redemption 2 on your Steam Deck is quite simple. Begin by purchasing the game directly from the Steam store. Once purchased, initiate the download and installation process through the Steam client. The Steam Deck's operating system, Steam OS, will automatically manage the Proton compatibility layer, which allows Windows games to run smoothly. This integrated approach ensures you do not need to manually configure complex settings, making it the most straightforward and supported method for getting the game running. To achieve the best performance, optimizing in-game settings is key. Start by setting the overall graphics preset to medium to balance visual fidelity with frame rate. Consider adjusting the resolution scaling down to 75%. This significantly boosts performance without a drastic visual impact. Additionally, disabling highly demanding effects such as volumetric fog, water reflections, and shadow quality can provide a substantial increase in your average frame rate, aiming for a consistent 30 frames per second. For an even better experience, a few extra tips can help. While the default Proton works well, some users find Proton GE offers slight improvements. You can install it via the Decky loader. Always monitor your Steam Deck's temperature during long play sessions to prevent thermal throttling. Finally, experimenting with frame rate limits, like setting it to 30 frames per second, can provide a more stable and consistent gameplay experience, especially in graphically intensive areas of the game world.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.